Welcome to LicitElite. LicitElite is a digital platform where we provide law classes to the aspiring young law students in order to assist them in acquiring a good grasp on the concepts which are must for every law student. At LicitElite, we aim at providing excellent services to the students in the simplest form. We provide lecture series of a subject which can be accessible for free at our YouTube channel. Further, on request, we also provide relevant notes in the form of PowerPoint presentations as well as documents. We provide one-on-one digital coaching to law students through video conferencing on the request of the students on affordable rates. Our goal is the ultimate welfare of the students as they are the hope of tomorrow and we invest in future. Team LicitElite would like to welcome you on board on our journey towards better and high quality of learning, and we hope we will be able to help the students in the learning. We will start with a lecture series on criminal law. So let's start, because why not? Join us at LicitElite and practice your foremost expertise.